Hello, my friends. How are you? I hope everyone is having fun with their family and friends. And so I'm here again, and I am so grateful. I want to thank you for coming by, viewing this video to the very end, and giving me comments on what your thoughts are. And if you're new here in this channel, please watch the video to the very end and then hit like and subscribe and the notification bell for you to be notified if I have new video uploads. Thank you so much for coming by. I really appreciate your support.
Oh, I'm finally here in the place of my retirement, in my hometown, Leyte, Philippines, the place of my birth. Oh, thank you, Lord. Thank you so much. So I have been in hiatus for a good 8 months and finally decided to create videos again. There are so many factors of my absences in YouTube. So, well, I have so many stories to tell you. So this video is only an introduction about my journey, and the subsequent videos will be the story, each story that I have gone through. So actually the video that I was trying to create and my journey to retirement and simple living. So I'm here now, and I'm so grateful for you, that all of you, for your support and friendship, and I'm hoping that we'll stay together and support each other. So in this video also, I'm going to share with you my current, little things here and there. I have developed friends from my neighbors. We get together, eat, share our blessings, and a friend would invite me to go to their house and bring me somewhere, anywhere. And a friend would come over here in my house to share what blessings that we have together. And I visited friends in places where I used to be, and they share with me stories of, the current life that I have to fix later on. And I'm so grateful for new friendships, old friendships, and my family, that they have taking care of me, loving me, and being there when I need them, supportive of me. I mean, just so many things. I have so many stories to tell. So this video is only an introduction of where I am at right now, at the moment. And I'm enjoying it because I'm having a garden. I'm doing my exercise. Well, the weather, it's not friendly with me. I perspire a lot. It's hot. But I'm going to manage it. And so I go to exercise, walking the way I did before, but not because of the weather. Also, it rains and then it's hot. So I have to tell you stories. But I have also a garden, and I have it in Facebook. I sell online, and we do shipment. And it's just those baby gardens, baby plants. And I hope you'll share this video so some of your friends might know and would be interested to buy. And the garden is really giving me the energy to get up in the morning and take care of the plants instead of going directly to breakfast. And I stay there for a good 30 minutes and having fun. So happy to see new buds, new little growth, new little leaf. And at night time, my friends, my neighbors would come and invite me, and we share our blessings together. And actually I'm busy. I don't want to be busy like that.
Thank you for coming by. I love to hear from you, so please leave a message. and or comment below so I can respond to you, and I will respond to you. So be patient, and I appreciate your patience, and thank you so much.